Investing in cryptocurrency is risky. Sure, I buy that. What about the risk of missing out on investing in the greatest asset class that human beings have seen? What I'm getting to is that any measured investment should evaluate all of the risks, both sides of the coin, even if the coin is Bitcoin, and must understand the true reward potential. Combining all the risks and your assessment of them, and combining all the possible rewards and your assessment of them will make you a great investor. And to help you do that, I have an offer for you. Hi, my name is Ajit Khurana, and I have come up with a workshop where, in a live setting, where I will talk to you directly and you can ask me questions, we will go right from the basics of what is cryptocurrency and evaluate more advanced concepts. We will find out how you can research about different cryptocurrencies, what their use cases are, and move on to advanced concepts like the legality of it, the economics of it, the price movement, taxation, and a whole host others. My background in financial investing, in technology, business incubation, in startups, in venture capital will all come together in making sense of what this new world, this new paradigm of cryptocurrency is. I think I have put in my heart and soul in creating a workshop that would really make sense and empower you to make the right decisions. I think you should join the workshop. Join now.